So work on the cabin continues, but it's kind of slowed down for a little bit at the moment. We're still waiting for our wood to finish the interior walls and the cladding. We're waiting for that. We're waiting for cables and lights and stuff to be delivered so we can get on with the insulation and all that. But yeah, you've probably seen our little fire pit. Caught glimpses of that in other videos. It was actually a little side project I had going when I was making the floor. It's not finished. We need another couple of bags of stones in there, so you can still see the sort of the stuff you put underneath to stop the grass coming through. And I want to make some proper benches in here with a little bit of sort of wood storage underneath for the fire pit. But yeah, we haven't really got a lot of footage of what we've been doing on the cabin. Well, we have got footage, but not enough to make a whole video. So today I just want to show you how we built the fire pit. So we started off just putting a bit of rebar in the floor and then a bit of string on the spade and digging a circle. I think it was about 1.2 meters in diameter. So after we dug the small circle, we dug an even bigger circle. Or we didn't dig it, we just sort of cleared the grass and tried to get it as level as we could. And here you can see Amelia just digging some holes for the posts. We wanted to put some hanging chairs for Ollie and Ocean. So the second circle was, I think it was 1.5 meters away from the first circle.
Shining star, giving, receiving, changing, believing, only then we could start. Feel like that. Feel like.
That would slot into there, and then again like this. So any force on here is trying to lift this up, but this can't lift because that's going through there. You know what I mean? It's all sort of, you don't need, if you get it right, you don't need any fixings at all. But I'm not that skilled.
something for the hanging chairs.
And mostly to put in the holes.
Yeah.
You need something to hold the things for standing up, things like pop, backseat, and put hanging chairs. But may I actually hang, but actually don't swing because I'm mostly to stand and do something. Maybe I can put something there and then come back to sit down and do it.
What color are you having?
Rope.
Black. White.
Ooh.
So we building it today. We finished the table and the fences. Mostly we got outside table.
Oh. You happy with?
We got outside toilet
Where the fire is going to be?
in the middle, the cabin.
No, it can't be in the middle of the cabin.
Middle.
It will burn our house. So where the fire?
Yeah. Yeah.
Are you going to? Marshmallow,
Yeah.
sausages,
Picnic.
picnic.
So we wanted to put like a stone circle around the fire pit. So me and Amelia went off around the land and found some whopping great big stones to put there. But obviously moving them was a bit of an issue. So then it was just a case of arranging them nicely as best we could and sort of digging them in a bit so they didn't move, because we knew Ocean would, Wawa would want to sort of walk around them and stuff. So we got so many stones on the land, but nothing really suitable to build the fire pit. So on the way to town, there's this little place where you can stop, and there's a little river. So yeah, we went there to try and get some stones that were flat.
There by your foot behind it, it was a stone, quite straight one. That one. Yay. Beautiful, Ollie. Yeah.
It's so deep. It's so deep.
Why would you even throw it in there?
It's up to my
We spent a nice hour at the river. We found beautiful stones for our fire pit, quite flat. This is a beauty. But they are covered in algae, so we need to give them a shower. So they'll be nice and clean and ready for the fire pit.
Daddy, what are you doing?
Digging for treasure. So after I got Ocean to mix me up some cement, it was just a case of sort of arranging the stones as best we could in the circle there. Not really done a lot of cement work, so my pointing is absolutely terrible. But yeah, we got them all stuck. So once all the stones on the outside had all set, we poured some cement in the bottom and just sort of smoothed that over just to make it easier to sort of clear out the ash and whatnot. So we make the mistake of adding in a few couple of shovels of gravel in this first batch, which kind of left the bottom a bit lumpy bumpy, so we have to sort of pick out some of the big stones, and then we did it again anyway with another layer. So once I had cut the posts to the right height, I marked the centre of the uprights and drilled a hole and put in a piece of rebar that we had left from the pylons, and sort of marked that on the cross member as well, just to sort of to act like a bit of a dowel, just to give it a bit more strength from side to side motion. You can get in.
What?
You can get in.
Oh.
Are you kicking your shoes off?
It's getting comfortable.
No swinging on him. It's a hanging chair, not a swing.
I want something to push me.
Mommy, the lady in man's blue car is down there. Did you just kick my swing? If I look at it, it's broken.
started off, we bought 8 bags of these white stones that we like, but it wasn't enough. We went back and bought another 2, and it's still really thin in places, so yeah, we're gonna have to go and get a few more, I think. So that's it, guys. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe.